In this video, I'll be discussing about top 5 myths about Indian stock market and overall the misunderstanding about the stock market. Let's begin. First point, generally people talk stock market is a gambling, but it is not so. They compare with the casino or some kind of a speculations. But in reality, it is a long-term investing in a fundamentally strong companies which has created a massive wealth. The stock market is the ownership of the real business. And second point, you need a lot of money to start with stock market. In fact, as low as rupees also, you can start investing in mutual funds or SIPs or any penny stocks. So the technology and discount brokers have made the stock market participation easier than ever. So you can start as low as ₹100 to start with. And third point, only experts make money. You don't need to have a big knowledge about the stock market. You just need to know the fundamental of the company. You have basic knowledge about the company, how it's going to perform over the period of long term. And also you don't need to have any much technical knowledge for fundamental investing. Let's say you want to invest in large cap stocks. So the best way is to choose with the ETF, index based mutual funds, where the fund manager will do the fund management on behalf of the investors. So you don't need much knowledge about the stock market. You can start with very basics. And stock market is always risky. It is partially true, but the risk can be managed and well managed through different strategies. And for example, if you are planning to buy very large cap companies, and your focus should be on long term goals, then the risk will be significantly reduced, because the over a period of if you look at the broader market index returns, it has delivered more than 15% returns, CAGR returns. So in that means over a period of time, the risk is reduced by holding long period of time. Also, there are many other methodologies to diversify your portfolio. Quick profits are guaranteed. So this is the most dangerous myth. Many people fall into this trap of tips, rumors, and promises overnight. So in reality, people want to invest and stay disciplined towards long-term goal, which can yield better wealth than short-term. There is no shortcut. So the next time you hear someone says stock market is a gambling, so please remember these points. And these are just a very basic points that I thought I will cover. And thanks for watching this video, and please go through the disclaimer. Thank you.